Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Nvidia GPU model and Windows build so you download the correct driver. Once done, disable antivirus and any overlays. These often block installers. Make sure to download the full driver package from Nvidia, not GeForce Experience if you prefer a clean install. You're doing this first because mismatched packages or active protection commonly cause failure. Now move to prepare a clean environment. Close apps, create a restore point, and get ready to run the installer as administrator. Once prerequisites are set, perform a full cleanup. You can use Control Panel or, better, run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode for a complete wipe. The why is simple. Leftover files and registry keys cause conflicts, so remove them before installing. After rebooting normally, run the downloaded installer as administrator. Choose Custom, then check Clean Install to overwrite settings and ensure fresh files. Monitor the installer logs briefly. They reveal permission or component failures. Note any module names for troubleshooting. To finish, reboot and verify the device in Device Manager, check driver version, and run a quick GPU stress or display test. If the installer still fails, inspect the Nvidia installer log for specific error codes and check Windows Update for pending updates that block drivers. Also verify GPU firmware and BIOS settings. Make sure to try a clean boot or install a different driver branch. Sometimes a slightly older or developer branch installs where the latest fails. This targeted approach resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.